Hi everyone, I am Janela Ann Picatibog from G7 Nicolaus Copernicus. Today, I will be showing you how I made my improvised microscope. Here are the materials needed. Empty bottle, ruler, cutter, scissors, marker, toothpick, and an onion. First, cut the bottle with 3 horizontal bulges. Then mark the 2 sides straight. Then only cut the one side. Then cut the 2 edges. This is how it should look like. Then mark and remove the excess. Now mark and fold the sublens. This is how it should look like. Now place your specimen and you're done.